And joining us now with more on investing in Israeli startup companies and the Israeli high-tech ecosystem is Eden Pozin, Business Development Manager at ExitValley. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So first of all, tell me a little bit about ExitValley. What do you do?
So as the video pointed out, ExitValley was founded with the goal of enabling Israeli startup companies to raise funds directly from the public and thereby giving anyone in the world the opportunity to acquire shares in those startup companies. And we have backed more than 100 companies this way, raising almost $70 million so far. We offer different investment opportunities, different channels that vary from each other in terms of investment amount, the level of the investment risk, and the development stages of the companies. So we're kind of a one-stop shop, offering so many benefits to investors. Of course, the worldwide accessibility. Anyone in the world can invest through our platform. And exceptional deal flow. I'm sure I don't have to explain what Israel has to offer in terms of innovation and technology. And we do have access to all this deal flow due to our vast network of connections and relationship with the major players in the Israeli ecosystem. Diversity through our platform. Investors can diversify their portfolios, backing companies in different stages of development, different sectors, and using different investment mechanisms, legal infrastructure, always preserving investors' rights, and of course, the online platform. Everything is from the comfort of your home, through the computer or the phone, and years of experience. Our human capital. Anyone will get their personal treatment and the attention they require.
So really revolutionizing the field of investments in startups. Now, tell me more about this new VC Access Fund that you've recently launched. How is it different?
Okay, so our major product is the angel investment platform, allowing individuals to invest directly in private companies with tickets started from $10,000. And it is suitable normally for early stage to mid-stage companies. This new investment channel will allow our investors to participate in deals in late-stage, mature, well-established companies and under the management of venture capital and private equity funds. The first ExitValley VC Access Fund, it was partnership with Amplefields Investment, an Israeli private equity fund that specializes in secondary deals. The secondary market is where existing shareholders, usually early-stage investors, employees and founders sell shares, not as part of an exit event. And among the advantages of the secondary market, we can name the ultimate risk-return ratio, relatively quick investment returns, and the opportunity to enter deals on a very attractive discounted price. So how is this different, you ask? This is an exceptional opportunity to enter the VC's world with a relatively low entry ticket of $50,000, which was until now open only to major funds. Angel investors invest in higher amounts, and of course institutionals. We are talking about mature pre-IPO companies with a higher potential for exit in a short term. We are talking about diversifying the portfolio, which is usually built on primary deals, and this is the first time we offer investment in secondary deals. And instead of having to choose investing in one single company, the investors can now distribute their funds between several companies. So if I may summarize, normally these kind of investment amounts are legitimate for single startup, early stage startup, and suddenly an investor can use his capital to distribute it between several late stage companies.
You know, it's no secret that right now there's a downturn in the global markets. And here in Israel, we're not immune. So is now really a good time for people to be investing in Israeli tech?
Actually, we think that now is one of the most favorable times for investing in the established assets of the secondary market. These kind of companies, they are not raising funds right now after the major rounds of 2021. And therefore, there are less attractive deals in the primary market, but there are plenty of them in the secondary market. These companies mostly choose to postpone their IPOs and acquisitions in order to maximize their value. But on the other hand, there is a need for liquidity on the part of the employees and the early investors, and therefore these companies usually initiate secondary deals on very favorable terms with high discounts, something we didn't see in 2020 or 2021, and we will continue to see in 2023. And it's important to remember that we are talking about late-stage mature companies that are backed by their revenues. These kind of companies, the economic crisis will have the least effect on. And as the history has taught us, usually crisis times also offer unique wealth creation opportunities which investors with available capital can benefit from.